Today we are going to expand on the greatest common factor, and we're going to learn how we can use that to help factor out a monomial. So first let's find the greatest common factor. So 1 and 3, there's 3 x's. 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4, there's 2 x's. 1 and 15, 3 and 5, and 1x. So the biggest number we can pull out of all of them looks like a 3. So I can take out a 3. And the most variables we can take out at one time is x. That's our first step, finding our greatest common factor. Now what we do once we find that is we divide. So 3x to the third divided by 3x. 3 divided by 3 is 1, they cancel out. X to the third divided by x. If we have 3, we take away 1, that means we're left with 2. Negative 12 divided by 3 is a negative 4. X squared divided by x, so that's like subtracting. So if we have 2 and we take away 1, we're left with 1. Here, we have 15 divided by 3x. 15 divided by 3 is a positive 5. X divided by x, those just cancel each other out. And we're left with this in factored form by factoring out a monomial. Alright, let's look at our next example. I'm going to write them up here so it looks neater. 1 and 8, 2 and 4, and there's 2 variables. Here we have 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4, and we have 1 variable. So the greatest common factor they have is a 4 for both. So we can pull out a 4. We can also pull out an x. So if we do that, divide both of them by 4x. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. X squared divided by x leaves us with 1x. Negative 12 divided by 4 is a negative 3. X divided by x cancels out, so they're gone. And there's our monomial factored out. Let's look at our last example problem. Factors of 6. 1 and 6, 2 and 3, and we have 3 variables. 12, 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. We have 2 variables. 24, 1 and 24, 2 and 6, 3 and 8. Oh, not 2 and 6, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. We have 1 variable. So let's look. The highest we have in all of them is 6. So we can pull out a 6. And the most m's we can pull out is 1. So if we take our 6m and divide by all of them, 6 divided by 6, those cancel each other out, become 1. M to the third divided by m means we're left with 2, so m squared. Negative 12 divided by 6 is a negative 2. M squared divided by m, we're left with 1. Negative 24 divided by 6 is a negative 4. M's cancel out. We're left with this.